Well, it may not seem like it with all the snow and the cold, but our peak severe weather season is fast approaching. Sometimes that means the threat of tornadoes.
Local 12 meteorologist Scott Dimick tells us about the latest tornado research and how it's being used to improve tornado forecasts.
As the anniversary of the March 2nd, 2012 tri-state tornado outbreak nears, researchers at the University of Iowa have released a study which suggests smoke from Central American and Mexican fires helped fuel an even deadlier outbreak in the Deep South on April 27th and 28th, 2011.
The study suggests smoke helped to lower cloud bases and increased low-level wind shear where thunderstorms formed, two indicators of increased tornado intensity and longevity.
While the research community debates this study, Dr. Paul Markowski at Penn State University is working to understand how wind underneath a storm, which interacts with the ground, can affect a tornado's strength and structure.
So when air moves over something that's not moving, it creates spin like this due to friction. And that spin actually can influence the storm and its subsequent evolution.
Dr. Markowski has discovered that localized temperature changes can have an impact on whether a tornado forms.
Usually sinking air is cold in a thunderstorm, but if it's too cold, that actually short circuits the tornado formation process.
Understanding how a tornado forms and evolves hinges on using what we know to understand what we don't.
We need to develop next are ways of inferring what's going on really small scales that we don't routinely observe directly. We need to be able to infer what's going on those unobservable scales by using data that we do have.
I'm meteorologist Scott Dimick, Local 12 News.
There were 5 confirmed tornadoes here in the tri-state last year.